I'm Kaylin from Oriental Trading Company, and we know that back to school is going to be anything but normal this year. So whether you're a teacher or a parent, kindergarten mom here, we're going to try to make back to school easier for you. With our teacher team, we had video meetings to hear what was going on in their district because let's be honest, it's changing all the time. We got their favorite tips and solutions for their students and even for their kiddos at home. We also had them pick out their favorite Oriental trading products to suit every type of back to school scenario. But most importantly, we wanted to know how they were going to make school fun heading into this very different year.
Back to school season this year, it's full of unknowns.
We have the unique opportunity to make this a fun, new experience for our kids.
Don't overwhelm yourself and take one day at a time and know that you're doing the best that you can.
So whether you're headed back to a traditional classroom learning environment, a blended model with just a few days in the classroom, distance learning, or you're taking on homeschooling, we're all here to help.